The name of our project was traditional Chinese medicine using barcode to identify ginkgo products.
We've done research, but it was never this intense. Like nothing more than an 8th grade exit project was the closest to this.
It was the first time we really got to do kind of our own project. A lot of times in science classes in school, I guess, they give us kind of an experiment and we have to follow exactly what they're doing. And here we had the freedom to choose our own project.
I went to Harlem DNA Lab. Like, I knew nothing that we were using. I didn't know what anything was. I didn't know what I was doing. But after that, I was like, wow, this is really cool. Like, I felt like a real scientist. It was awesome.
Another science fair project, it was something simple like volcanoes or something, but this was like serious, like we're doing DNA barcoding.
Well, for me, the best part was the hands-on experience because before this, even though we had labs for biology and chemistry, the labs were very, they were very boring. There was so much little to do. But here, we actually got a lot of hands-on experience. But before this, I never pipetted anything before. So when I got there, it was like, wow, this is great.
Well, what I like a lot about this project is that it puts together like the research in the lab along with field work. So you have to create this entire story.
I like just looking at the data and seeing the questions that it brought up, and then I liked looking at the information on the DNA subway and making the trees and finding the bits of CO1 gene on Jane Bank.
This is my first research project, so finding the answers to something that isn't already in the textbook, something I can't just Google and find out. Like, through this project, I was able to supply an answer that no one else knew, and I was able to discover for the first time.
For me, it was amazing because I didn't know, when I joined this project, I didn't know like even a single thing about DNA. But now I know like the basic things, like how the DNA works and everything.
Not the basic thing, we learn more of depth because we don't study in the books. Like, I came here like 1 year ago, and I didn't know I didn't know anything about DNA. So before studying that subject in my living environment class, I had to do this. But when my teacher started to teach me, I know much more than every student in the class. I know everything.
That was amazing.
And I wasn't learning from the books. I was learning from my experience that I did.
I think for me, I'm the teacher, so seeing my students with the locker kits was really great because we were able to bring them to the school, and a lot of students were peeking through the doors, like, what are you guys doing? Are y'all doing some scientific research? Yes, we are. We don't do any of this at our school.
Not at all.
Not at all. So, and because the DNA lab is, short 2 bus stops away, it was very accessible. And the access to the Foot Lockers was extremely helpful. Like, all those things kind of built sort of a support or kind of a hook for getting us access.
This is the most excellent experience I've had. I've been teaching for 23 years.
It kind of changed my perspective of the world. Like, I no longer just see an issue and not ask a question. I always use like the scientific method, like observing what's happening around, asking a question, forming a hypothesis, and trying to figure out if it's true or not.
Yeah, it was definitely a life-changing experience for me. Like, after working and doing the research, I've definitely said that science was where I wanted to go with my career.
I just liked analyzing the information.
You sure did.